Okay. So, odd things happening here. First odd thing that's happening is yesterday, before I went to work, I hit the Buy Me Now button for this package. Now, this package got here extremely fast. I was originally told it was going to get here on Monday, not today, which is Sunday, the 6th of September. And it's really odd. It kind of tells me that the economy might actually be doing a little bit better. A little bit better. We may be adjusting to the COVID situation a little bit better. Just a little bit, only because we have the ability to move products left and right. I used to work in the shipping industry, and it's very important that people get their packages on time, if not before. So for them to say, hey, expect this on Monday, and then all of a sudden I'm getting it on a Sunday, 24 hours ahead of time, and in the morning, that kind of makes me happy. You know, I absolutely respect the post office. This whole video is not about the post office, but it's about me saying, I got a package, and I'm going to open up this package. This is an unboxing of a hard drive that is much anticipated, much needed, because Carlton finally realized that Carlton can't put data away in small little boxes. I need something obese. Yes, I'm using the word obese. I got this one instead of the other one. Okay, I'll take that. It's breakfast time. Is this from Wendy's? It's that sausage, egg, and cheese croissant. I don't think there's any cheese on here. It is good though. It's a French croissant. Hang on. Oh my God. Notice the croissant part. It actually tastes like I made it at home. The eggs taste like I'm making the eggs at home. The sausage is very similar. Regular sausage, not the hot sausage. I'm older now, so I prefer the hot sausage. I want to hurt my mouth when I eat. Because I'm stupid. I'm stupid and old. That's what old people do. They're like, screw it. Hurt my mouth. Give me hot food. And of course, I have my coffee. Today is black with sugar. Perfection. So, I'm going to put this to the side for a second because it's not about me eating. It's not about me talking about shipping. But it is good to see that I can order something and it gets to me in time, not an extra 2 or 3 days late. That always kind of bothered me during the first beginnings of the pandemic and everything. You know, March, that whole April, March, June, July. I don't even know if I call out the months properly or not, but you get the idea. So this is what I'm going to do. Got the karambit. Going to go ahead and just nip this over here. Come over here and nip this over here. I'll just get it in there. Now I know this is going to be a safe cut, only because in my situation, I know that this is a box within a box. Okay? Oh, look at that. Nicely packaged. Now, because I am outside, and I rarely do an unboxing outside. Rarely. This is probably the second time I've done an unboxing outside. Because of that, I can just throw stuff over. The deck. So, did it make it? Yeah, it made it. Wow, this is kind of dense. So this is the Seagate backup plus squiggly line plus hub. It's 10 terabytes. I need 10 terabytes because 4 is not enough. 2 ain't gonna touch it anymore. I got a 2 for my backup. It never really worked out too well. I got a 4. The 4 was supposed to be my way of getting all this data and just slapping it down and just organizing it. And you know what it ended up being? Data dump. It ended up being a data dump. Now, so I've seen a bunch of people unbox this here. There's nothing super special about this unboxing, okay? There won't be anything super special. There are some oddities about this. Just give me a second to get this open. One of the oddities is they give you a few different outlets. Unlike some companies, they just give you the American plug. This one actually gives you multiple plugs, like a cell phone company would, if you were ordering a global device, which I think is kind of cool. This way they can just come out with one package, and that one package they can just sell to the world as is. There we go. There's the package. And here's the other stuff that I was telling you about. Okay, do this here. Yeah, you don't really care about this here. All right. The new thing I can do, I can throw stuff off the deck. And you know this because tomorrow or sometime today, I'm supposed to be doing a video over there by the garbage cans. And this is what I mean. They give you international plugs. That didn't make it. So here's the hard drive. Now, there it is. There it is right there. There it is. There it is. I had other choices. One of the choices I had was a couple of Western Digitals going all the way up to 14 terabytes. Some of them had some good prices. Now, what I'm not going to do here, so I'm not going to mention how much I paid for this here, but take in mind that I did get a very, very good price. The price was under $200 for 10 terabytes. Another thing I will tell you is that I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for it because I often see people go on YouTube, turn around and say, oh, I just got it on eBay for half that price and all the other stuff. Good for you. We didn't buy them at the same time. Prices ain't the same at the same time, okay? When I say that, I'm saying what is 1 terabyte for $50 one year, the next year maybe $25 for 1 terabyte. The price goes down over time. So, you know, I'm buying it at a higher price sometimes because I want it now. I don't want to wait 2 or 3 years down the road to purchase something that's already old. I had a couple of options of Western Digital, other Seagates. This machine had one particular unique feature that I thought was worth it. Take a look at this. There are USB ports in the front, meaning I can get this, lay it down, stand it up, doesn't matter, get another USB device, plug it into it, and then transfer back and forth between those two. That's an option that most of these guys don't give. Lacey gives option like that. Lacey is another hard drive company. They're very expensive. I don't deal with them anymore because they are extremely expensive. I can't afford them. I can afford this. I can't afford Lacey. Lacey, she is just an expensive bitch. So, this is what I mean by international. They're giving, I think that's the UK plug right there. They're giving plugs from different countries so that they don't have to repackage their stuff. They're spending a little bit more money and having a universal adapter like this here and giving out these here different prongs and plugs. But the cool part is you as a consumer don't have to worry about the wrong thing being purchased to you, and you can just get whatever's on the shelf as opposed to having to make sure I get the right one for the UK or the right one for this part of the world or that part of the world. It's all in one. Everybody is the same. I kind of like that. And here's the one that I need for the American plug. Yeehaw. So this is 3.0. It is a Seagate. It has your SATA on one side, SATA input on one side, the SATA USB 3.0, blah, blah, blah. But it also has 2 additional USB ports in the front. That's the unique feature about this here. And it's really the only reason I got it, because I wanted that capability to be able to data dump really, really quick between devices. Other than that, So that's the unboxing for this device here. I'm gonna finish my French croissant sausage egg sandwich. Here comes the sun again. Oh, I can get some cloud videos today. I'm gonna get on that. Cloud videos are very extensive. When I say extensive, it takes a lot of time because those darn clouds are slow. It tastes like I used somebody else's bread and made this myself. It was so good. Tomorrow's Labor Day. I'm gonna kick back and chill. Hopefully I have this set up by then. Moving some data back and forth. 10 terabytes. Free up some space on my devices. That's all I care about. I'm savoring this. This flavor is really good. This is really good. Even if it's not hot, it's just very mellow. I somewhat taste the South here. Somewhat. I feel a little bit like I'm on I-20 driving over to Birmingham. Breakfast sandwich in one hand, coffee in the Dodge Neon console. No shifting because it's an automatic. I'm smart enough to buy a car that doesn't have a shifter. That is the end of this video. I am absolutely soaking in the sun. You guys and gals have a good weekend. Stay safe. Vote. Very important that you vote. Whether you voted for the person I want or the person or a different person, it doesn't matter. Is he doing a U-turn over my house?